Hey there, a quick run through on how to set up the site code or the job code, whatever you want to call it, at the unit, which basically means the employee doesn't have to specify that site or that job every time they clock in. Every transaction will be associated to that site or that job. So if you take the clock to another site, you're going to need to log in and change that site. And we'll run through that process now. So you need admin rights or enrollment rights in order to access. Press admin. My admin user is ID number 1 and my password for that user is number 9. It'll then go through to the menu. Right now, left hand side we want to select bioscan, okay, and then right hand side we want to select options. Right now, the list of options on the right hand side, we've got default codes. Okay, now here we can specify the default job, right, which is the site to you guys. But if I specify default job and I want to call this site NCI, I click on alpha and I go NCI, done. Right, now the default job is going to be NCI. Click on save, click on save, click on save. Now what that means is every time I scan in, it's going to add NCI to that clock in. I don't have to specify NCI. So if I take it to another site, I've got to log in as admin, ID number 1, PIN number 9. Okay, it'll take me through to the menu, bioscan, options, default codes. Don't want an NCI, press it twice. I may want to call it BBG as an example. You can call it anything you want. Click on done and then save. Now the only gotcha here is if I click on my default codes and I click on default job twice to enable it, and I'm not quite sure what I want to do, and I take a little bit too long, it's going to time out. Okay, so I'll just let it time out so it goes back to the screen. So if it does time out, just press that default job again and you have the opportunity to type it in again. So if we leave it here, not knowing what we're doing or taking too long by half typing, it'll just go back to there. So you just need to probably be a bit efficient and fast when you're typing in the job ID. Anyway, that's enough. Thanks a lot.